So friends, today we are going to explain a mistake associated with a $5 billion airport. So let's get started with today's video without further ado. Imagine landing at a brand new airport that cost billions of dollars to build, only to discover that the baggage system doesn't work, flights are delayed for hours, and the airport becomes one of the biggest engineering disasters in history. It sounds like the plot of a Hollywood movie, but it actually happened in America. Today, we're uncovering the unbelievable story of the $5 billion airport mistakes that shocked the nation, revealing how one ambitious project turned into a financial nightmare. Back in the late 1980s, the city of Denver had a bold vision. Officials wanted to replace the old Stapleton International Airport with the most advanced airport the world had ever seen. The new airport would be larger, smarter, and capable of handling millions of passengers every year. It was designed to become one of the busiest transportation hubs in the United States, helping connect the East and West while boosting Colorado's economy. On paper, everything looked perfect, but behind the scenes, disaster was already taking shape. One of the biggest goals of the project was to create a fully automated baggage handling system. Instead of workers moving luggage manually, thousands of computerized carts would carry bags through miles of underground tracks at high speed. It was an incredibly ambitious idea. Engineers believed it would reduce delays, eliminate human error, and make the airport far more efficient than any competitor. Unfortunately, reality had other plans. As construction continued, the baggage system became more and more complicated. Different airlines wanted different features, requiring constant design changes. Computer software struggled to coordinate thousands of moving carts at the same time. The more engineers tried to fix problems, the more new problems appeared. During testing, luggage flew off conveyor belts, carts crashed into each other, and bags were completely destroyed. Some suitcases were ripped open, while others disappeared somewhere inside the massive underground maze. Instead of saving time, the system created complete chaos. By the time Denver International Airport finally opened in February 1995, the total cost reached nearly $5 billion, almost double the original estimate. It became one of the most expensive airport construction projects in American history. Even worse, the revolutionary baggage system still wasn't working properly. Most airlines eventually abandoned the automated system and returned to traditional baggage handling methods because they were simply more reliable. The technology that was supposed to change aviation became one of the industry's biggest failures.
But the baggage system wasn't the only mistake. Throughout construction, project managers struggled with poor communication, changing requirements, unrealistic deadlines, and political pressure. Experts later pointed out that many decisions were made before engineers fully understood the technical challenges. Instead of slowing down to solve problems, leaders kept pushing forward, creating even bigger issues that became harder and more expensive to fix later. Despite its disastrous beginning, something remarkable happened over time. Denver International Airport gradually transformed into one of the busiest and most successful airports in the world. Many operational problems were solved, terminals were expanded, and passenger traffic continued to grow year after year. Today, millions of travelers pass through the airport annually, often unaware of the incredible engineering failure hidden beneath its runways. The airport eventually succeeded, but only after years of costly lessons and billions of dollars in unexpected expenses. So, what can we learn from this incredible story? First, innovation is exciting, but introducing untested technology on a massive scale carries enormous risks. Second, changing project requirements during construction can quickly turn a manageable budget into a financial disaster. And finally, even the biggest failures don't always mean permanent defeat. With enough time, investment, and determination, it's possible to recover from mistakes that once seemed impossible to overcome. The story of Denver International Airport reminds us that building the future isn't just about having bold ideas, it's about careful planning, realistic expectations, and knowing when complexity becomes your biggest enemy. What started as a dream of creating the world's smartest airport became one of America's most expensive engineering lessons. Yet somehow, from one of the biggest infrastructure mistakes in history, emerged one of the busiest airports in the world. If you enjoyed this fascinating story about history's biggest engineering mistakes, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more incredible stories from around the world. And here's a question for you. Do you think the risky gamble was worth it in the end, or should the project have been built in a much simpler way? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. So friends, if you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.